Hello, welcome to Lori's DIY Life. This is Lori. I thought I started noticing like HSN is doing clearancing on craft items. Crafter's Companion is doing clearancing on craft items. They had their warehouse clearance and stuff, and I thought, they're getting ready for Christmas in July. And we all see these beautiful new collections, and we start spending, and I thought, before I do that, I'm going to go back and look at what I got from last year, because I got some awesome stuff last year that I never even used. And I thought, let's revisit that and go through our stuff and see what we have before we get caught up in the excitement of Christmas in July. So for this video, I've got this Hunky Dory luxury topper collection, Christmas, and it's really pretty. And so I thought we could go through and look at it. And there's even this big sheet here, inspiration sheet, that you can look at and see, the ways. And really it's just card toppers and frames, but I mean, look how pretty this is. Did you buy this collection? I got mine through Crafter's Companion. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the deer. Isn't that beautiful? Look. And I didn't use this last year, and it's gorgeous and it's beautiful and I love it. And so, yep, we're going to use this. We're going to make a Christmas card. We'll get started early on my channel, going through our Christmas stuff. I'm going to do a series of videos on Christmas. Probably going to be bombarded with Christmas before Christmas in July. Maybe it'll help you not spend so much money that you could spend on other stuff. Start actually doing your Christmas shopping. See how beautiful. Look how beautiful. And then, it comes with this for the cards. So actually, what I think I'm going to do, look at how pretty. And it's what? Adorable, scoreable. And I'll be honest, I don't think I've ever used a Hunky Dory. I don't know, but I don't recall ever using. Look at how pretty that is. Pretty. I don't remember ever using Hunky Dory, and I don't know why I bought this, because it's really not my kind of thing. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'll do the deer. Let's really go into Christmas here, but then how does that work? Let me see. Let me go back to the sheet. Where did I put the sheet? Here it is. And let's see how they have the deer. Okay, so they did the like, what would it be called, a trifold? Yeah. So let's see. Where's my scoring board? I put this other stuff. Oh, I'm gonna need to get that stuff, so don't put it too far away. Let me get my scoring board. And so this is 11 3/4, so 11 3/4. I don't know what the halfway mark is for that, and I don't want to have to work it out, but let's just do the old-fashioned way. And I felt it shifting. It's very firm. This paper, like I said, I haven't used it before. See, and I missed this, but you know what? That's not going to matter because this needs to actually be this way, doesn't it? Okay. And that's going to change things. 7, 13. I'm going to just look at the picture and I'm just going to make sure it's lined up straight as I can. And I'm just going to do it right here. So actually I'm going to do it smaller. I want to be right on that deer. Where's my scoring tool? Here, I'll use this. This is that Cricut scoring tool. And I might make this better, cleaner looking. It's not getting in the right spot. Okay. So this goes to the front. So basically to do this fold, you're just going to do it in half, and then you take the half and do that in half. And there you go. And honestly, it just makes kind of a big card. See, they went way in and cut that out. Well, I'm not cutting it out, so you can if you want to. I'm not. Okay. Now we gotta get the deer. You do need to make it smaller, so I don't know what the answer would be to that. Okay, that's cards. These are the cards. I want the toppers. We'll have to use this again because this stuff is so pretty. Okay, here's the deer. Now on theirs, so they've taken this and put it up here. They took this one for the background. So let me just do that. And of course you don't have to do it their way. You can do it however you want. I just figured for this one we'll do it their way. And see. Here's what I want to show too. This all comes loose. These are all individual pieces, so you can imagine you could make a lot of cards with this stuff. Okay, let me glue this on. And this is Nuvo. I just had the bottle clogged up on me, so I just put it in one of these fine point bottles. Which kind of makes it a little bit more work. Now I want to get all of these pieces right. There's got to be glue on all of them because they are individual pieces and I don't want it to fall apart. Put my pin back in here. There we go. And this is just gonna go kind of right there. And I'm not checking it or measuring it or anything. And then they've got up here a little piece. So that's gonna be this one. This one here, you know. Okay, I was gonna change it already, but no, I already said I'm gonna do the way they got it. And that will go here. So let me glue that down. Another thing about this topper set is you only get one of everything. So if you only bought one set, you don't have to worry, did I use this last year and send this card already out last year, because there's only one. Okay, they also have these two. These two circles on it, and this one here. And then this one, it says, Merry Christmas from me. And there's that. And honestly, that's it. That's all they did. So, let me get my pen back in, my ink pen. That's the card. And like I said, with them, they folded it more here, but they cut this out. And that does not punch, so you would have to take an X-Acto. I'm not good at that. Now here's my only issue with it, right? When I send cards, I like to put a little to, from and all of that in them, and you can't really do that with this. And it's gonna sit like that, and it's beautiful, but you're gonna end up having to write on the back of the card unless you put a little note in. So there you have it. Quick, simple card. We still have pieces left for another one or two, depending on what you want to do. Okay. So there you have it. This is Hunky Dory Contemporary Christmas. And look how beautiful. And I already had it from last year. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. I hope you'll join me again. Bye-bye now.